Could an AI truly grasp the intuition and strategy of humanity's most complex board game, Go? In 2016, AlphaGo didn't just play, it redefined what was possible, defeating world champion Lee Sedol. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary techniques that allowed DeepMind's AlphaGo to master the ancient game of Go, a pivotal moment in AI history. AlphaGo's journey began with supervised learning, devouring millions of human expert games. Its policy network learned patterns and strategies, predicting optimal moves and mimicking human intuition to build a strong foundational understanding of the game. The real breakthrough was reinforcement learning through self-play. AlphaGo played against itself countless times, each game a new lesson. Without human intervention, it discovered novel, powerful strategies, transcending human knowledge and achieving exponential improvement. At its core, AlphaGo used two neural networks, a policy network for move selection, and a value network to evaluate board positions. These were coupled with a sophisticated Monte Carlo tree search to efficiently explore millions of game outcomes, making optimal decisions. AlphaGo's victory wasn't just about winning a game, it demonstrated AI's ability to learn and innovate beyond human experience. A profound leap, changing our perception of machine intelligence. If you found this insight fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.